Hey MSA. So here's the plan for the rest of the school year. You ready for this? So we are going to take one day to work on each unit that we did throughout just this semester. So we've got graphing and CER, we've got motion and speed, we've got dimensional analysis, forces in motion, and then just like reviewing all of those kind of last day to kind of check up on everything. So the basic format is that we're gonna give you a big idea slide to study the unit. Then you're gonna have practice problems that are drawn from the stuff that we've already done. And then in the afternoon, there's gonna be a chance to check your answer key. Make sure you fully, know all the stuff you need to know. And then there's gonna be a game for each unit, like a review game for everything. So also if you're missing assignments, none of these are graded. So if you're missing assignments, now is a good time to get those in. You can turn in anything from second semester. And yeah, even like just for better points if you want to. But don't make it too hard on me, okay? Like you guys are already doing really good. Let's see. And then the last week of school is finals, as you know, so I put the schedule for that here, first and second hour. So our final is going to be on Wednesday from 1:30 to 3, okay? So that's the plan. I'll see you guys soon.